Okay, while I have a piece in here drying in the tent, I thought I'd turn the camera around and show you my workspace because I get lots of questions about it. This is an old IKEA dresser that I was gifted, so I use it for storage. I could keep my sanders in here. There's my surf prep, my orbitals down here, spray paint, of course all my other paint storage. This is my workbench. All things screws are in here. They're sorted by size. Surf prep pads. Just miscellaneous stuff. These are all brushes. Just different kinds of brushes. This is how I sort all the sandpaper. So meshes over there. Hardware. Bondo. All the bins up above have like the drills and a heat gun and just various other things. This is my staging wall. These are roll-up bamboo mats that I use as the floor right now for staging the piece I'm working on. And then on this side, this is usually stuff for my sprayer. These are a couple of small Wagner tents, and then drop cloths and everything. Dollies. These are moving blankets, of course, bikes. So this is the 2-car part of my 3-car garage. This side is full of furniture. Usually this is where I keep finished pieces. I've sold most of my inventory right now, so these are pieces that are yet to be done. Tool chest over here. I think that's about it. If you have questions about anything, let me know. I'll do another tutorial on this big tent here pretty soon, but this is the other side of the small garage. You can see all the furniture storage over there. There it is. This is where all the magic happens. And these are my 2 little assistants that come and watch mommy work. Oh, this is where I keep all my sprayer accessories. I have a whole bunch of these so I can swap out colors and things quickly. Lots of legs, just storage. There it is. The tour of Olive Street Designs.